Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to change the language on Instagram. So click the Instagram and open it, and after that on the bottom right side corner you need to click on your profile picture, and on the right top corner you will see three top lines. Click on that, scroll down, and here you can see that language. Click the arrow button, and right now my default language is English, and if you want to change in your native language you can select from the drop down list, and here these are the supported languages. So right now if I'm changing it through the any language, my Instagram language will be changed, so I don't want to do that. So for right now I can just select the English UK, and now my Instagram language has been changed to English UK. So in this way you can easily change the Instagram language. So I hope this video helps to understand it. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.